Everyone's been talking about Nano Banana, Google's brand new AI image tool. Some people online are saying it's the best thing ever. Others are saying it breaks the moment you try something tricky. So, I decided to test it myself. And honestly, what I found completely changed the way I see this tool. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how Nano Banana works, step by step. We'll start from getting access, we'll test some really simple prompts, then we'll push it with some crazy ideas to see if it breaks or not. And the best part, I'll show you real practical ways you can use this tool for your content, your projects, or just for fun. All right, let's jump in. First things first, how do you even access Nano Banana? Well, Nano Banana is actually part of Google's Gemini platform. The official name for it is Gemini 2.5 Flash Image, but most people are just calling it Nano Banana because of how Google introduced it. To get to it, you don't need to download anything sketchy or pay for any subscriptions. All you need is to go to Google AI Studio, sign in with your Google account, and you'll see the option for image generation. It's that simple. No credit card required, no paywall. And that's already one of the things I love about it. Google has made this extremely accessible. Now let's test it. I'll start with something basic so you see what the default quality looks like. I'll type in a futuristic city skyline at sunset with neon lights reflecting on glass buildings. And here it is. Look at that. It generated this in seconds. The colors are vibrant, the reflections look cinematic, and honestly, this already looks like concept art you'd expect from a professional artist. And this is just the first try with a simple prompt. That's what blew me away. It doesn't give you weird, messy results first. It starts strong. But here's where things get interesting. A lot of people online said, oh, Nano Banana is fine with simple stuff, but as soon as you give it a crazy prompt, it breaks. It can't handle complexity. So of course, I had to test that. I tried a chef juggling glowing knives in a neon cyberpunk kitchen. And honestly, I was shocked. Look at this result. The chef looks great, the hands are clear, the knives are glowing, and the whole cyberpunk kitchen vibe is on point. No broken fingers, no weird bending shapes. So myth busted. Nano Banana can absolutely handle complex prompts, and it does it better than I expected. But I didn't stop there. I wanted to see how versatile this tool actually is. So I tested it across different styles, and I'll walk you through them slowly, because this is where it gets really practical. First, I tried something realistic like a product shot. I typed a close-up photo of sneakers on a wet basketball court at night, dramatic lighting. And wow, this looks exactly like an ad photo. You can see the reflections, the lighting feels dramatic. And if you're a content creator or brand, this could literally save you money on product photography. Next, I wanted to test a playful style, like 3D cartoon. So I tried a Pixar-style character holding balloons in a sunny park. The result is so colorful and smooth, it looks like a frame out of an animation movie. If you're making storyboards, kid-friendly content, or anything playful, this is super usable. Then I tested travel and landscape. I wrote here, a drone shot of a tropical island with turquoise water and palm trees, sunny day. And again, it looks like stock photography. The water has depth, the palm trees look sharp. If you're someone who makes travel content, this tool can generate visuals that feel ready-made for ads or thumbnails. And because I love fantasy, I also tried a medieval knight riding a dragon through stormy skies, and this result could literally be a poster. The detail on the dragon scales, the shine on the knight's armor, even the storm clouds, it feels alive. Finally, I had to test something fun just to see how creative it can get. So I typed, a raccoon in a spacesuit floating in zero gravity eating pizza. And look at this. It's adorable, but also really detailed. The raccoon's fur, the pizza slices floating, the stars in the background. It's hilarious but polished at the same time. So by this point, I realized something important. Nano Banana isn't just good with one style, it's flexible. It can do realistic photos, playful cartoons, fantasy art, travel shots, and it does all of them well. But here's the part I really love. Let's say you generate a character and you want to use them again in a different scene. Normally, with a lot of AI tools, when you try to re-prompt, the AI redraws the character completely, and they never look the same. But with Nano Banana, I took the raccoon from before and said, same raccoon, now standing on the moon, holding a flag. And it actually kept the raccoon consistent. Same fur, same vibe, just a new scene. That's a game changer for creators, because it means you can build characters and reuse them across different settings without losing their identity. Now let's talk about real-world use cases. If you're a YouTuber, this tool could help you generate thumbnails or background images instantly. If you're a brand, you could mock up product ads in different styles before committing to a photo shoot. If you're a storyteller or a filmmaker, you could build consistent characters and environments to visualize your ideas before production. And if you're just experimenting, it's an amazing way to bring random creative prompts to life for fun. Of course, it's not perfect. Sometimes it smooths things out too much. Skin can look overly polished, or small details in the background can get simplified. And remember, it's images only. You can't make videos with it. Plus, Google does block some prompts for safety reasons. So if you try to generate something that crosses their guidelines, it'll stop you. But honestly, for a free tool, these limitations are small compared to how powerful it already is. So if you're trying Nano Banana, here are a few tips. Keep your prompts clear. One subject, one action. Add mood words like cinematic, neon, cozy, or dramatic. Mention camera angles, close-up, wide shot, drone shot. And if you want consistency, use key phrases like same character or same outfit across prompts. These little tweaks make a huge difference. And just to clear up common questions, yes, it's free. No, you don't need a VPN unless it hasn't rolled out to your country yet. Yes, you can use the images commercially according to Google's terms, but always double-check the latest license info. And no, you don't need a powerful PC, it runs in your browser. So here's my final take. Nano Banana is one of the most impressive free AI image tools I've tried so far. The myth that it breaks on complex prompts? Completely busted. It's not flawless, but it's consistent, versatile, and practical. If this video helped you, hit like and let me know in the comments what crazy prompt you'd like me to test next. And subscribe, because in my next video, I'll show you how to use JSON-style prompts with Nano Banana to make your results look cinematic every single time. Thanks for watching. Now go test Nano Banana yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.